Good afternoon. My name is Pascal Hamlin, President and CEO of Bonterra Resources. Bonterra Resources is an advanced exploration and development gold company based in Quebec. We have three projects, the Gladiator, Barry, and Moroy projects, all within trucking distance from the Bachelor Mill. Right now, we're continuing the expansion drilling after the resource update. We're doing about 10,000 meters per month of drilling, step-out drilling outside the resource. In Q4 2021, we're going to release a PEA that will show the value of our asset. On top of the three deposits, Gladiator, Barry, and Moroy, Bonterra has a license for 38,000 hectares of exploration. So it's a young camp. There's a lot of upside potential for additional deposits to be discovered in this camp. Both us and Osisko would believe there will be more discovery in this camp. And also, there will be a JV between us and Osisko. The Duke property, which is between Gladiator and the Windfall deposit, we entered into a JV this summer with Osisko. So there will be joint venture drilling with the two companies to discover deposit between Gladiator and to the south and to the east and to the west of this deposit. So we're drilling and Windfall. So it's an excellent camp, and we've got a lot of hectares of land owned by Bonterra. On the cash side, Bonterra currently has over $10 million in Canadian cash. Our plan is to get us to the PEA. After the PEA, different alternatives will be looked at. You know, we have a lot of assets. We have over $100 million worth of assets between the three deposits. We have a mill, we have camps, so equipment. So there's a lot of asset to support future plans. So we could, of course, equity, stream, royalties, debt, bridge loan until the feasibility. So there's different alternatives that will be presented to us. Of course, we're going to look at them and we're going to go with what's best for our shareholders. Following the PEA, our plan is going to be to continue the drilling because this camp is, like I mentioned earlier, is a young camp. There's a lot of discovery to make. So we're going to continue the drilling. Of course, the PEA, between the PEA and the feasibility, we're going to do infill drilling. The next phase after the PEA will be to do the feasibility for the three projects and the mill. This feasibility and infill drilling. So infill drilling will come first. We'll do a resource update again. And then we're going to use that updated resource to do the feasibility study. And then after that, we're going to start looking at constructing and putting these assets into production. PEA, infill drilling, resource update, and feasibility before construction. One thing to note is Gladiator and Barry are close to each other. They're about 8 kilometers. So actually Barry is a little bit further ahead on the permitting than Gladiator. Both camps are established. Now there's synergy possible between Gladiator and Barry just because of the distance between the two. So in the PEA, the investors will see that we're investing capital to link the two projects on road, by road. So we could have one camp, both operation. They'll be independent on the ground. On the corporate structure, capital structure of the company, we have large institutions supporting our plan. We have Wexford, we have Fidelity, we have MNCAP, we have Ruffer, we have Caisse de dépôt de placement of Quebec. All these investors, they have a positive long-term view on gold, and they like Quebec. Quebec is one of the best jurisdictions in the world to invest in gold. So these investors are part of our shareholder base. Our largest shareholder, Wexford, owns close to 19%. There's 2 consulting working with Wexford on our board. But the other 4 directors of the board are independent. So there is independence at the board level. The shareholders are very supportive. The other shareholders like Fidelity, Ruffer, and Caisse de dépôt are very supportive as well. We present budgets and plans to the board. We present first to the technical committee. So management present the plan to the technical committee, and then the technical committee make the recommendations to the board. So there's independence, there's good governance, and that's why we have these large investment firms supporting Bonterra in our plan.